Click on the link below to get discount. Welcome to the creative and colorful world of embroidery. You're here to explore the amazing possibilities that come with the POOLIN Embroidery Machine. So, are you ready to take your embroidery skills to the next level? Let's dive right in. First off, let's talk about our incredible collection of threads. Imagine this. You've got a whopping 800 meters of thread across 80 stunning colors. And that's not all. On top of that, we also offer hand-picked white embroidery thread and pre-wound bobbins, ensuring you'll have every shade imaginable at your fingertips for any project, whether it's big or small. It's like a rainbow waiting to come to life in your hands. And to truly make your creations pop, we provide essential tools such as water-soluble stabilizers and cutaway backing. These tools are not just accessories. They're your new best friends in the embroidery journey. Now, if you ever find yourself in need of support or a boost of inspiration, we've got you covered. Simply search for POOLIN Embroidery Machine groups on Facebook, and you'll join a vibrant community of fellow enthusiasts. It's a space filled with creativity, where you can connect with others, share your projects, and receive free one-on-one after-sale service from our expert engineers. How cool is that? You're never alone on this journey. And while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to our official YouTube channel. It's like having a treasure trove of resources at your disposal. You'll discover teaching videos, tips and tricks, and real user experiences that are tailored just for you. It's an invaluable resource that can guide you through everything from basic stitches to advanced techniques. Now let's chat about the workspace you'll have with our machine. Our computerized embroidery machine boasts a generous maximum embroidery area of 7.9 by 11 inches. Just think of all the amazing projects you can tackle. Whether you're looking to personalize clothing, create beautiful bedding, design trendy bags, or even craft unique home decor, the possibilities are practically endless. But here's where it gets exciting. Are you ready to unleash your creativity? Our user-friendly embroidery software lets you design your own patterns. Yes, you can let your imagination run wild. And the best part? You can export your creations directly into the machine using Wi-Fi or USB. It's like having a magic wand for your creativity. The world is your oyster. Let me introduce you to the brain behind this magic, the InStitch i3 computer system. This system makes selecting and editing patterns a breeze, so you can start stitching beautiful designs quickly and efficiently. It's designed to take the guesswork out of the process, allowing you to focus on what truly matters: creating. And speaking of creating, feast your eyes on the stunning 7-inch color touchscreen. It's so intuitive, it feels like you're using a smartphone. You can easily drag and edit patterns, transforming your ideas into reality with just a few taps. It's user-friendly to the max, ensuring that even beginners feel completely at ease. We've set you up for success right from the start. Your complete embroidery set comes with the EOC06 machine, which includes vibrant polyester threads, pre-wound bobbins, and stabilizers. You can jump right into your embroidery journey without any delays. No need to hunt around for extra supplies. We've got everything you need. Now let's address a common concern: needles. We provide size 9/14 needles, which are perfect for most fabrics. And if you're working with thicker materials, just reach for a coarse fabric needle. We believe in making this process as smooth as possible for you. Our machine is loaded with features designed to streamline your work and enhance your experience. Imagine automatic needle threading, easy bobbin winding, and even thread trimming when you finish a color. These functionalities save you precious time and allow you to focus on unleashing your creativity. But don't just take our word for it. Join over 100 satisfied customers who have chosen this incredible machine. It's ranked number 2 in embroidery machines, boasting a stellar rating of 4.6 from a whopping 281 reviews. You can feel confident that you're making a smart choice. The embroidery revolution is here with POOLIN, and we want you to be a part of this exciting journey. So what are you waiting for? Let's create something beautiful together. Remember, your creativity knows no bounds, and we're here to support you every step of the way. So go ahead, grab that thread, and let's make some magic happen. Click on the link below to get discount.